Hi, Matt here with 911R. We have the 76 911 Backdate hot rod RSR that is on Branch Trailer right now. I just want to do like a little walk around, kind of talk about the car. This car is a wide body, which makes it the RSR. So you get wide flares front and rear. And this has the long short conversion for the hood. So you can see it looks like an early long hood car, but the car was originally a 1976 car. This car has been all retrimmed and refitted through Patrick Motorsports. They built a 3.4 fuel injected motor in it. It has about 260 horsepower at the rear wheel, at the crank. It has all the Patrick Motorsports updated, everything from the clutch, lightweight flywheel. It has stainless steel heat exchangers with heat boxes, so you got heat, and it has a really great upgraded AC system. It works in the hottest climates. It's got extra vents in the dash up where the clock would have been, and underneath to keep you cool. Wevo shifter. One of the coolest features of this car, it has Recaro Orthoped seats that have been custom trimmed with the orange stripe and orange down inside the rivets. They are power, so you get heated seat and cooled seat in it. I've never had a hot rod with cooled seats. Pretty freaking cool. All the leather dash and door cards have all been retrimmed. Custom orange stripes, orange seat belts, orange door pulls. It has the Porsche PCCM, Porsche Classic stereo with navigation, Bluetooth integration in it. Custom gauges, orange trim on the dash. Let's come around to the rear deck lid. We have vented back here, really cool. MOMO steering wheel, custom stainless steel sport exhaust. Again, you know, modern air conditioning in this car. Very, very expensive. If you're gonna ever try to do this on hot rod or anything, that's a huge project. It still has the Motronic fuel injection, which is great because it adapts to different altitudes. Very good on emissions, good on fuel economy. Steve Wong chip in it. You know, this car rips really good with a 3.4 short stroke motor. 911R style taillight lenses. Lots of really cool attributes to this car. Custom pedals, all new carpet, sound deadening in the car, wide Fuchs wheels, Pirelli tires. This car has only had about 800 miles on it since the build completion, so it's really ready to go. Any questions, please use the contact seller button. If you need shipping, interested in 911R selling a car for you on Branch Trailer, we're all here to help you out. But pretty special orange hot rod here. Thanks.